These are eastern red cedars that are used for screening. We sell these at Highland Hill Farm to people that want a fairly fast, large growing evergreen for screening. It's a native screening tree. In some states, it's the only native evergreen, such as in Kansas, and it is an excellent bird shelter bush. Now, birds eat the seeds of this plant, but they don't digest them, and they usually pass them out in 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a great tree for spreading in an area, especially in places where there's poor soils. At Highland Hill Farm, I noticed they grow pretty well underneath power lines and underneath telephone wires. And the reason for that is that's where the birds rest and deposit seeds. They grow easily from seed, but you would likely want to buy these as a small transplant or a small tree. At Highland Hill Farm, we can deliver and plant these trees. We plant them 3 to 5 feet apart for screens and buffers. They're an excellent bird bush, and if you need some, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329.